Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talk with AJ. Finally, the wait is over. After 6 long months, the Mi Robot Vacuum has finally been delivered to me. I ordered this on 15th of June during the crowdfunding and it costed me around 17,999 rupees. First, the company said they'll be delivering this in the month of September, but due to some issues in the month of September, MI said that the delivery of this will be delayed by December and it will be shipped within the first week of December. And as promised, it's finally here. Currently, I've been using D-Bot for my day-to-day usage and this has been doing a fantastic job during the lockdown. Having this one, I was looking for another vacuum with the mopping feature and this one came around just at the right time during the lockdown. And the price point was just what I was expecting. At 17,999, this one does vacuum as well as mopping. Let's begin with the unboxing and let's see what we get in this box. So this is a plain cardboard box and here are the box contents that are mentioned. Let's just go ahead and open this one. I'm an old school guy and I'm still using a kitchen knife to unbox this one. So here's the original packing and the box of the Mi Robot Vacuum-Mop. The packing is pretty good, must say. And let's go ahead and open this one as well. So here's the main robot that we owe. It's pretty heavy in weight. I must say it's pretty heavy in weight. Let's just remove this one. It's a seal packing. So we'll have to go ahead and open this one. So this is the one. Looks pretty expensive for the price point and definitely it's on the heavier side. But yeah, it's definitely premium. Let's keep this aside and see what else we get in the box. So these are the things that we get in the box. Here's the main vacuum. Other than this, you have the charging dock, the AC adapter, the 2-in-1 box where you can fill in water for mopping, and here's the dust collection box. We have 2 side brushes. At a time, this vacuum uses only one. So thank you MI for providing an extra one. Here's the wet mop that has been already stuck on this, and here's the semi-wet mop that you can remove and stick. As per the user manual, this is 3.6 kgs in weight. It supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and has a battery capacity of 3200 milliamperes. When it comes to the AC adapter, it's rated at 20 volts and 1.2 ampere. Let's begin with setting this up. So when it comes to setting this up, you can open the lid of this vacuum this way, and as soon as you open it, you will see there's a dry compartment already inside the vacuum for collecting dry stuff. You can go ahead and remove this one It's pretty easy to remove. And once the dust is collected in this, you can clean it by opening this. This is the filter pad. You can clean this. And to remove the dust from the box, you can open it this way and the dust is collected here. So you can empty this, close this, put it back. You also get a cleaning brush inside this, which you can take advantage of. Other than that, it's pretty plug and play. Let's go to the back. So when it comes to the back, let's go ahead and install the side brushes that will help clean all the dust and put it into the box inside. You have a square bracket. Just go ahead and align these squares and give it a good press. Yeah, that's it. So now that we have installed the side brushes, let's go ahead and sync this with the mobile application. You will need to download the Mi Home application in order to connect the Mi Robot Vacuum to the application. Let's go ahead and open this application. I have already downloaded it from the App Store. So let's go ahead and add a new device. Now before adding any device, make sure that you're connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This mop or this vacuum doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead with home appliances. We have the vacuum mop here. To connect it, we'll need to press the power and the home button on the vacuum simultaneously to connect to the application. Let's go ahead and do that for 3 seconds.
Wi-Fi connection has been reset. Awaiting network connection.
Confirmed. Let's go ahead and press next. Now the application is scanning the device. Once the vacuum is detected, it will temporarily switch the Wi-Fi to the vacuum's Wi-Fi to register all the Wi-Fi details into the mop. Now once the connection starts, it's going to sync all the details of my Wi-Fi into the mop, so next time the vacuum can directly connect to the Wi-Fi. Now let's go ahead and select the room. It's going to be living room. Let's go ahead and click next. Let's go ahead and click next and let's get started. You can see you have the start button. Once you press the start button, the vacuum starts cleaning, and yeah, it's pretty loud. So this app has many features, like once you scroll down, you can see there are different modes where you can select just the vacuum mode, where it will clean the dry stuff on the floor. Second is the vacuum plus mopping, where it will do both, and third is the only mopping feature. Now when it comes to other modes, we have one silent mode, standard mode, medium and turbo, and expect good level of sound on the turbo mode. Water level, currently we have not installed the water compartment, but you will see that there is low, medium and high water levels as well. Other than this, there are many different features in the application. I will have to look into this and see what each feature does. Do expect a walk around of all the main features in this application in my detailed video of this vacuum clean. So now that I have set up the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop, I'll be using this as my daily driver, and do expect a detailed review on this one. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you like this video. See you guys soon.